back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen from the location, details and the attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. So you can see on the screen, yes, required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end.